You know, I really think that you're going to love this office. You know, the staff in here, like, hey, you got your beard trimmed. He was all the way down to here. I thought he was a member of a cult or something like that. But you're really going to like the office. You know, it's a great place. And, hey, told me he was a great ball player. Went to watch a game once, struck out 3 times. It was ridiculous. Our transportation department, you know, they work really well. Everything goes really smooth. Hi, how you doing, doll? 6 kids she's got. I don't know how she handles it, to tell you the truth. Anyway, you know, everything. How are you? Mom and Dad, I met them once. Oh my God, you wouldn't want to meet them. As we move right along through the office, meet everybody and all like this. Blind as a bat. Wears his glasses, can't see a damn thing. Anyway, as we're going, and here we have like a worst employee in the place. How you doing? But worst employee in the place. But we put up with them. You know, that's the way it is. I'm sure that they still love me.
Oh, you have no idea.
Most of us know you should work hard to keep your boss happy. Happy boss, happy career. But maybe you should put the same level of attention into keeping your colleagues happy. I'm Greg Schenkel, President of Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems, and today I just want to talk about how you should build and put time and energy into the relationship you have with some of your colleagues. Some leaders avoid being helpful to their colleagues, thinking that their only job really is to keep their boss happy. And sometimes you might even think that, hey, other colleagues of mine technically need to make me happy because I'm their internal customer. So I just want to talk about this concept of what an internal customer is and why I think it's kind of becoming a dated concept. Now, some thinking is that being an internal customer means, hey, you in your department supply goods or services to my department that we then go and put on to another customer. So for example, maintenance. Maintenance, you're here to serve me in production because that's what keeps the machines running and that allows me to produce product for the customer. Instead of looking at it as internal customers and internal suppliers, why not look at it as collaboration? After all, the company exists with all these capabilities, including your supply chain, your suppliers, to collaborate. We're here to collaborate together to win the external customer. So it's not so much that you are here to serve me and do my bidding, it's that we're here to collaborate together to serve the external customers. So why not see how you can be of service to others? Because if you're the type of leader and you instill this in your team, that guys, we are here to serve the needs of other departments, to collaborate so we can help them be successful and win the external customers, then you wouldn't view things like leaving the department messy for the other shift or not having a great shift handoff or, again, the unresponsiveness of the purchasing department or the stores or the warehouse. Instead, maybe go, hey, how can we collaborate together to win the customer? And then, if you're not seeing the kind of support you need to be successful in the department, that's when you can reach out to your colleagues and ask for them to reciprocate. Most people, if you're known to help them and treat them with trust and respect, they're going to reciprocate back to you. They're going to treat you with trust and respect. So if you view it this way, that you should be serving your colleagues as if they were your boss and doing the best for them in hopes that they will also do the best for you, that becomes a win-win outcome. And once you've learned to build great teamwork with your colleagues from other departments, then you can start looking at some of the other leadership skills you need to be more successful. And of course, you could get those through our public workshops that we run in several cities, or through our on-site training that we can deliver exclusively for you in your company. And there's lots of resources we have on our website as well for self-study. You can check it all out and reach out to me at uniquedevelopment.com or connect on one of the social media platforms and get part of the conversation on being a better leader. I look forward to partnering with you on your leadership journey.